Hey guys, Patrick Donovan, HAAF Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at the Palms in Bloomingdale, Georgia. I'm here at a Beacon New Homes Agent Open, and I'm going to check out a few models here. First one being the Ford model. This is a 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath home offered at $390,775. Let's check it out. Now, welcome home, right? I love this floor plan because for one, $397.75, that's great. And the new construction home market right now is fantastic. And as you walk in, you come into this dining room right here, as you can see. I love the rounded archways, and you can see here, they got the chair rail going all the way around. I love this light fixture they got. And of course, it opens up into this living room area right here, into the kitchen, so wide open, straight to the kitchen, and we're gonna check that out right now. So now we're in the living room. We came from the dining room, which is super quick, right at the front door, as you can see over here. And now we're in this wide open living room with the half bath right there, which is great. You're hanging out here, you gotta use the bathroom, it's right there. Unless you gotta do other things, you might wanna go to a different bathroom, but I mean, it's very convenient right there. And then it's a wide open space. Like if you're entertaining or anything, like everybody is involved in the party, which I love that. And then come to this kitchen, which I love the granite countertops. Now it's gonna come with a dishwasher, a range oven, and the microwave above. It will not come with a refrigerator, so you know that. But I love these pendant lightings. You know, just very sleek design, and I like the way that it kind of faces this way, so whomever is like doing the cooking or cleaning can be involved as well. It's fantastic. Let's check this out. Now we're upstairs, as you can see. Carpet upstairs. There's 4 bedrooms up here. 2 that have their own bathroom, which is incredible. And the other 2 can fit queen size beds. We're gonna go into the 2 rooms that can fit that has the bathrooms. Then we're kind of gonna sweep through the other 2 bedrooms and the bathroom up here. So let's check this out. Now, I don't know which one you would consider the primary bedroom. This was right off the stairs. If you wanted this one to be the primary bedroom, you could. The other one's of similar size, similar bathroom layout and everything, but man, look how big this room is. I love it. All kinds of room and space for activities, that we like to say that. 2 closets right here, so you know everybody gets their own closet, which is fantastic. And then, like I said, you put a king size bed in here. You put a full-fledged sofa in here with your king size bed and a TV, all that good stuff. This is a great size room. And then it goes into its own bathroom, which you're about to check out. Now we're in the primary bathroom. When I say primary, once again, I'm not sure which one you use for the primary. I think when we go to the other one, you'll see what I'm talking about. Bathrooms are kind of the same. In this one though, it just has a shower. The other one has a shower tub combo. So you might want to think about the other one being the primary. I don't know how many baths, what's your situation or whatever, but this one's got granite countertops, dual vanities, you can see showers back there. And the great thing is about this bathroom is there's a door that you can close for the shower with the toilet in there. So if you want to get ready while someone else is doing all that stuff, too easy. It's fantastic. Let's check it out. Now we're opening up to the other room that could potentially be your primary bedroom. Not sure how you like your configuration. Once again, like I said, the rooms are practically the same size. You can fit a king size bed in here. Actually, no, the other one's just a hair bigger. Just a hair bigger. But this one also has two closets right there. Okay, you can still fit a king size bed, no problem. You still fit furniture in here, probably a recliner in here. The biggest difference between this one and the other one is their bathroom, though it looks very similar. It has, this one has the tub shower combo, and the tub is actually really big, so it's a pretty cool touch. After I show you this and the bathroom, we're gonna scan you through, then we're just gonna run through the other rooms because they're all basically the same size, and then we're gonna go outside. Now we're outside in the back with a screen-in porch. I love the screen-in porches. I always say it. I'm not gonna say it again. Love screen-in porches. But obviously, as you can see here, if you look, I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to get it. I'll get it when I'm getting it. But they're putting up a fence right there. So you can put a fence up back here if you're really looking to do that. The yards back here aren't that super big, which is good if you don't like to do a lot of lawn work. Like me, as I get older, I don't want to do that stuff anymore. But yeah, I love the screen-in porches. As you can see, great yard. So this is a forward plan from Beacon New Homes in Bloomingdale, Georgia. If you want this specific home, this is 142 Guana Lane, offered $390,775. If you have a question about this home or any Beacon home, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.